This plan of action is targeted for both state and federal governments. This plan of action is heavily influenced by the successful case study of Oslo. I'm aiming here to hurry the transition from petrol cars to electric cars throughout Sydney. Specifically, the scope for this plan of action is the Sydney area and the Greater Sydney region, more or less not focusing on the city, as EV infrastructure and EV cars are already pretty popular down there. However, as you go more west past the line on the map, you'll see that charging stations infrastructure are less popular and less common, therefore, that needs to be a bigger focus for this plan of action. EV charging infrastructure is needed to make EVs a convenient and logical choice for the consumer. Local councils would know best how to implement these. Without EV infrastructure, electric vehicles simply won't be able to be functional in Sydney. Some ways to incentivise EV purchases would be to decrease purchase and ownership taxes and decrease toll and parking charges for EVs, all things that could make EV owners' lives cheaper and easier. Through this plan, we can clean up Sydney's car culture.